How to send attachments in Telegram. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can send attachments in Telegram. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to send attachments in Telegram, it is very simple to do so. Open up the Telegram app and go to a certain chat where you would like to send the attachments. Now to send an attachment, tap on the pin-like icon right from the bottom of the chat's feed, and once done, normally you can send any photos or videos like this. But to send an attachment, which could be maybe a file that you're talking about, tap on the file option. Now you can simply browse through the files that you have right there. So depending upon what is it that you want to send, you can select that and then simply hit the send button to send an attachment on Telegram. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.